Hello guys, how are you? This is Pano. I have an interesting video for you guys today. For one, I want to show you a new knife design. And two, I just want to talk about some nice products I've seen, I've tried lately, and I was really, I really like them. Okay, so before we get to the knife design, I like this little stone from Grants Force Brooks. This is like a rubber package, and in here is the stone. It's a dual surface stone. It's got a coarse side and it's got a smoother side. You can use the coarse side on the knife when you got a real damage on it, but it's not an everyday thing that you use the coarse side of the knife. So the way you use these are wet stones better, but you can use it either wet or dry, it doesn't matter. But I like using them wet with water only. And how you use it is you hold it like this. You get your knife. See if I can stay on frame. You find your angle and you draw the knife. You draw the knife, both angles. Or you can hold the knife and then get the stone and go on it. Some people like to do that, but I don't prefer that, because you can't find the exact angle when you have a saber grind like this. You can't find the exact angle on it, so you don't want to be convexing the saber. But it's really good quality and it fits. You can do your axe too. Okay, and don't forget, with the axe though, that's how you do it, because it's convex. You get the stone on the axe. You get the axe. You put the stone on the axe and you do the circular motion. Okay, like this. That's how you get the axe. And you look at the edge, see where is your mark? What does it? Where does it cut exactly? You don't want to be cutting on the shoulder. You want to be cutting right on the edge. So this dual purpose stone, you can use it on your axe and the knife. So that's why I like them, to carry them. And they last pretty good. No issues with it. That's one product I was testing lately and I like it. Now we're going to the second product. Is this oil. It's a wood oil, but it's not linseed. It's hemp oil. See? So it's pretty good for our knife handles, your axe handles, or anything tool wood handle. It works really good. It gets like a it's a little bit, gets the wood like tacky, better than how you get it with the linseed oil, in my opinion. But also all my stuff already have linseed oil, so depends of I haven't used it on something that didn't have linseed oil from the beginning and did that. So you gotta pop the seal out and you get a little brush. Here's the wood handle and you apply it and you see right away how it shines. So this side we didn't apply. It's this side we apply and this side we didn't. You see just the oil running on it. cover it like that. And it has a very nice smell. You let it dry. And it makes the wood not to soak easy. And it makes the wood tacky and it lasts a long time. Okay, so enough with that stuff. I just wanted to show you. Another thing I liked, it's those Fiskars saw, that Fiskars saw. I used it all last year. And you know something? It was pretty good. It's like a pruning saw style. It's not the straight edge style saw. It got, after a year of use, it got a little bit loose. But I used it a lot, right? But you know what? I like it. It's not bad at all for the money. They're cheaper than the other ones. All right, now let's get to the interesting stuff. We're coming up with a new knife design. And I've been talking to William about it and Jared. So what I like about this knife, the new knife, it's gonna be dual grind, but not dual grind the way we're used to. Okay, we're going for something unique and something I've noticed lately. I really like it. Well, I've always liked it, but lately I see a lot of people leaning towards to it, and I see why. A few years back, William attempted to make a Yakut knife, on modern Yakut knife, not hand forged. So that's what we're going with right now. So what we're gonna do is, you have your, that's not the knife. We have on this side, as you're holding the knife, on this side, where on the Yakut knife you've seen. It's divoted in, it's pressed in, and it's like a flat. But we're gonna go with hollow grind on this side, special William Collins hollow grind on this side, which it's not like hollow grind you see every day. And on this side, we're gonna go with a saber. Different kind of saber, because there's different sabers, right? So it's gonna be close to this saber on the long hunter, and the width is gonna be like the long hunter. But the knife we're going with, I like this belly on this one. You see how this knife has, it almost doesn't look like a belly, but it does have a belly. It's a continuous curve almost completely. So we're going with this. So something like this, I'm thinking, okay? All right, so this is the right side where the logo is. And I'll put a logo so you guys know. Okay? So on this side is gonna be where the logo is. Okay? And on this side is gonna be where the saber is. So on this side, the black mark here points that it's going to be the saber coming up, and on this side it points where the hollow grind is going to be in. So this knife is going to have a great slicing ability on this side as you're cutting your meat or as you're slicing anything you want to slice on this side. And when you're working on wood, you have your saber on this side and you're cutting with the saber cutting. And it's easier to control a saber than it is a hollow on the wood. So it's gonna have the strength. It's gonna be stronger than a normal hollow ground knife, because on the other side it's not gonna be hollow ground. It's gonna have the addention outside from the saber. So I'm very excited for this knife. Look, next video you'll see I'm gonna probably have this knife if you want this knife faster, to go on our website and for William to make it, go bug William. Send him some messages. Come on, hurry up, get this knife. We're going for 30 pre-order knives on this new design. So the first 30, they're gonna have the one. I don't know, have you seen, as you've seen most of them, and I'm gonna have one of them too. I don't have one, so we're gonna make, so it's gonna be 29. Okay, so that means you have to jump on this because it's not gonna stay long. That design, guys, I'm telling you, it's one of my best ones. Just like this one, like I love how this one was with the flat on the front. You see the flat and the saber in the back. I love saber. I love saber grind, as you know. So stay tuned on the site. Post comments, very important. Post comments and tell me what do you guys think about it. So now let's show some dimensions of how it's gonna be. Okay, we have a ruler here. So I'm thinking about 10 inches overall length. Cutting edge will be about 4.5, 4 3/4. We'll see. William is gonna work on the on the prototype, and he's gonna get the feel on it, and he's gonna get how well can he grind the length. But that's, I think, that the sweet spot on the length on the blade. Width, we're going, I don't want something too wide, okay? Because the thinner, if you don't have you know, with that wide of a knife, it's easier to roll around, it's easier to fit like this one. So we're thinking about 1.5 inches around there on the width. Again, this is not fixed numbers, like William is working on it right now. So we want this fast out. Go back, William. And stay tuned on the website. We're gonna post pictures on the prototype when he's done. And on that picture on the prototype, you can pre-order whenever it's out. So that means you order the knife, you figured out the final measurements, but we're close to where we are. Like, it's gonna be something like this, but some people cannot picture it here. You'll see when William is done, and we post the pictures. He might be even done quicker. I don't know. Depends how bad you guys bug him. Okay, so that was a little video I wanted to make for you guys, give you an update of what's happening, and stay tuned, because when I get this knife, that's gonna be the knife I use for the rest of the hunting season and bushcraft season. For me, I have a lot of work to do this season. I'm going to a new area from scratch, from the beginning. So a lot of trails to open. I have to spend a lot of overnights there. I don't know if you guys want to see overnight videos, let me know. And I'm gonna take this knife along, probably maybe a bigger blade too, besides my axe. We'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.